In this lesson, I'll show you 3 examples on how to add large numbers. Let's start with question number 1. Add the numbers 45 plus 31. Before we start doing this, notice that 45 and 31 are perfectly aligned. We have the tens column aligned, 4 and 3, and the ones column are aligned, 5 and 1. And you always want to do this when you add numbers. We'll begin by adding 5 plus 1, and that's equal to 6, and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. You add in this direction. Let's move on to question number 2. Add the numbers 2,373 plus 6,252. What's interesting about adding large numbers is that you don't have to necessarily put the larger number at the top. Remember, when we multiply large numbers, you want to put the larger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. That's not the case for adding. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. I'm adding in this direction. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, because 12 is double digits, you'll place the first digit underneath and you'll carry the 1. This 1 will act as a reminder when you add 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, and as a reminder, we add 1, that's 6. 2 plus 6 is 8, and 8,625 is the sum of these two numbers. Finally, in question number 3, we're asked to add the numbers 14, 9,379, and 22,507. The problem with these numbers is that they're not aligned like in questions 1 and 2. So let's align them. We have 22,507, and then comes 9,379, and finally 14 will be at the very beginning. We'll add 7, 6, and 4. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 4 is 17. Carry a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 9 is 11. We've only placed the first digit there. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Our final answer is 31,897. And so there you have it. That is how to add large numbers.